Do you feel like there are never enough hours in the day, or do you finish the day feeling that you could have done more? You're not alone. Endless meetings, overflowing inboxes, and the blur of working online can leave you feeling like you're always falling behind. Enter KPI Consultancy's Effective Time Management Program. It's more than just tips and tricks. It's a complete overhaul of how you approach each day. We're here to help you sort through the chaos and find a clear path forward. Our program gets to the heart of what's eating up your time and shows you how to take back control. You'll learn how to sort out what really matters from what just makes noise. Effective time management uses interactive activities, real-world case studies, and engaging discussions to equip you with practical skills. The result? Less stress, more clarity, and the ability to get things done without the panic. After completing the program, you'll navigate through work days with a new sense of calm and purpose. No more feeling overwhelmed or running on empty. It's time to work smarter, not harder, and enjoy the extra time you'll find for yourself and the people you care about. Ready to change the game? Let KPI Consultancy show you how. Say goodbye to the stress of ticking clocks and hello to a new, more productive you. Reach out today, and let's make every minute count.